all your blessings. We large scale entrepreneur. We promote 24 crore entrepreneur with 100 crore project. Establish Vallarasu India #1 in the world. We large scale entrepreneur.com. Anandam Komada Private Limited, Aishwarya Cotton Private. Our objective is to promote Vallarasu India #1 in the world. Our objective is to promote Vallarasu India #1 in the world. To achieve the task, we promote 24 crore entrepreneurs with 100 crore project. Without collateral, without advance, but the only criteria, the employer must pay 50,000 salary per month to their employees. See, our objective is to promote Vallarasu India #1 in the world. To achieve the task, we implement in the world Industrial 5.0, human with integrated manufacture. We implement and participate WTO, World Trade Organization, on coming 15, 16, 17 September 2026, Geneva, Switzerland, participating, exploring the future. Our country is the first launching in the world Industrial 5.0, human with integrated manufacturing. So we welcome entrepreneurs in our country. Please register. We large scale entrepreneurs.
இது போன்ற செய்திகளை தொடர்ந்து பெற நம்ம வேர்ல்ட் பிரின்ஸ் சேனலை மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் ஃபாலோ செய்து கொள்ளுங்கள்.